In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the theme of a Google form. By the end, your form will look cleaner, more professional, and easier for respondents to read. Start by opening the Google form you want to edit. You can use an existing form or a new one. It doesn't matter. Once the form is open, look to the top bar and find the small palette icon in the upper right. Click that icon to open the theme panel. This panel slides out and is where all the visual customization happens. As you make changes here, you'll see the form update immediately, so you can fine-tune the look without leaving the page. At the top of the panel, you'll see the overall theme options. Choosing a theme is the quickest way to give your form a consistent style. A theme can set coordinated fonts, colors, and background treatments all at once, which is helpful if you want a polished look with minimal effort. You can always adjust individual pieces afterward. Next, explore text style. This controls the font style for your form title and your questions. Pick a typeface that matches the tone of your form, clean and simple for surveys, more playful for event registrations. Keep readability in mind. Highly decorative fonts may look fun but can slow people down. If size controls are available, use them to create clear hierarchy. Larger for the title, medium for questions, and smaller for descriptions. Move on to header to add or edit a header image. A wide, high-resolution image works best because it spans the top of your form. After you upload an image, the theme panel may suggest matching colors to coordinate your form with the header automatically. If the image has text, make sure it doesn't clash with your form title, and avoid busy visuals that distract from the questions. In the text section, adjust formatting details for the content areas. This is useful for fine-tuning how your descriptions and help text appear. Aim for consistent styling throughout, so respondents don't have to work to understand what they're reading. Under color, choose your accent and background colors. Pick tones that reflect your brand or the form's purpose, but always check contrast so text remains legible. Dark text on a light background is usually the safest choice. Finally, set the background. You can keep it minimal with a solid or subtle style, or choose an image if it complements your content. Avoid heavy textures that make text hard to read. That's it. Open your form, click the palette, and tailor the theme, text, header, colors, and background until everything feels cohesive. Your changes save automatically, so you can tweak and revisit anytime.